gonna go in there? Ooh, popcorn machine. Auntie. Oh my god!
It's Dax's second birthday. And we're in his bounce house. Got Grandma V. Got Jacob, everybody here.
Get out?
Good job. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dax. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Are you gonna blow it out?
Here,
Make a wish.
blow. Yay! Good job. All for you, baby.
That's a lot of cake, huh?
Is it good? Mm.
That's the one that has the selfies.
Okay.
Start with Maggie from you.
Can I see your happy?
All right, Dax. Party's over, and we're the last ones in the bounce house. It's all cleaned up. Did you have fun? Yeah. Where's Auntie? Come on, Elena, do it. Flip. Do a flip, hurry, for the vlog. Okay, do it for the vlog, but do a somersault like off the floor. Just come on, start now. Somersault, go. Go, ready, and go. Woo! I love it, Elena. Oh my God. You got it all by yourself? You coming back out? Y'all, after the party, people were like, oh, you got a lot of stuff to build. And I was like, yeah, I know. I hate it. Do I? I think I love it. I built Dax's Hot Wheel thing, and I've been trying all the different Hot Wheels down this thing. Which one goes the fastest and works the best? Oh, it almost didn't make the jump. Oh, it made the second jump. We got a winner. We got a winner on this one, okay? And you know what else is working good? The Oscar Mayer Wiener truck. Look, guys, can you see this? Let's give you a breakdown of this. Usually you put two cars in here, and once it goes to the top, it dumps them. But the Wienermobile was too tall. It wouldn't fit, so you got to start from up here. But this thing goes the whole ramp, bro. It's crazy. Oh! For the vlog, you're going to mess up Wienermobile. Let's try it again. Bro, see that? All right, now let's try it the other way. All right, we're going to race these two now against the dinosaur. Here we go. Oh! Winner, winner. The coffee, are you ready?
Did you get coffee? Yeah, baby. I'm gonna drink my coffee,
Cheers.
okay?
White
My
mocha.
mocha.
White mocha.
This is a vintage lunchbox, Magic Kingdom.
That's
Look
so
at that.
cool.
$65. So
That'd be
cool.
like a
What
shelf
the
decoration.
Kevin?
Like, what do you even put? You can't use that.
Is that the name of the person? Oh,
Yeah.
it's a sticker. So someone who had this name was Kevin.
Oh my God! I wonder if someone used that named Kevin back in the day.
That
was
is
their
so
lunchbox.
cool. Damn, $65.
It's like an old school sticker too.
Does it have a year on here?
What was the sticker say?
Actually,
1982.
really cool. No way.
It says
It's an
1982
82.
sticker.
That is awesome. $65.
That's crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, good job. Where?
Look
Where
at
is he? Oh.
Auntie.
Oh. Good morning. Happy birthday. Look at the presents we got you. Oh, what is that? What is that? Is that a car?
Go look at it, baby. Balloons, yeah. You like the balloons? I like balloons too.
I love it. We blew them up last night just for you.
For you for your birthday.
Do you see the car? That's your car.
That's for you.
Do you want to see something,
You like
Dex?
the balloons, huh?
Look, do you want to see something? Come right here.
This is your car.
Come right here, Dex. Turn it on. Turn the key. Right here, okay? Right there. Turn it, okay?
Oh.
It's 7 in the morning.
Cool. Again. Okay, turn it off, and then turn it back on if you want to hear it again.
Do you like it?
Do you want to get in?
No.
You don't want to get in?
Do you like the balloons?
You sure you don't want to get in?
Wow, balloons!
Look, you can sit right here. There's seatbelt. The door opens. Look,
Drive it. It's your own car.
you can get in your car. You don't want it? You don't want it?
I'm excited for the balloons. Yay! Happy birthday, baby!
I honked at him.
Maybe it's too loud for him.
I know, the volume's really loud.
Look, we'll turn it down. There you go.
Want to press it? Press the horn. Right there.
Good job.
Yeah. What is that?
Yeah, do you like it, baby?
Oh.
I love it. Oh, brave. Birthday brave. Birthday brave.
Now you want to get in?
Honk, honk.
You want to get in now?
Woo!
Your balloon got in.
Here, do you want to sit and drive?
No.
You sure?
Do you want to open your presents then? You just love it.
Oh my God, what is he driving?
What is it?
Skid steer, it's an ambulance.
It's an ambulance. Yay.
You want Daddy to pull that off for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy almost took them off. But I
Go
just
for the
thought you
go for the
wanted
next
to.
one, okay?
Here, let's go to this one. Good job. Ooh, what's the next one? Ooh, caught it.
Oh.
What is that one?
Tractor, that one's a skid steer.
Here.
There you go, baby. I got the tag off. Trade me.
Here, I'll give that one to Daddy. You take
Trade
this
me.
one. Good job.
Thank you,
Birthday
Sonny.
boy. Yay.
What's next?
What? What is it? Balloons? We're gonna come right here, baby.
Balloons, where is it? Car wash.
What is it? Here you go. Or thank you.
Whoa. Loud. Look at that. You got all your locks, Dax.
Wow. You know how you like to lock the door? You can lock your own thing.
You have your own
You
key.
want to open it?
Okay, with it.
Yeah, and the key's right there. You see it?
Okay.
You want me to
You have
open
your
it?
own key. You can keep the key forever. It's your key.
I'm gonna ready to open this with just my finger.
Okay.
Good morning, I think, guys. It is a Wednesday. It is Dax's official birthday. Yes, exactly. Pump it. Birthday. We were actually going to take him to a place called It's a Flashing Light Security. We were going to take him to Fairytale Town today. It's a little like kids little amusement park over here in Sacramento, but they're closed on Wednesdays on his actual birthday. So we decided to take him to the Railroad Museum over here in downtown or Old Town Sacramento. Can you guys see it over there? That little building right there. So we're headed into there. Should be a fun time. I think Dax is gonna like it. You ready, Dax?
Yeah, you love trains, so I think that's
Yeah.
always good.
Exactly. Here you go.
Wow, how cool. My God.
Taste. Ready, Dax? It did it.
Do it again?
Let's see if it's gonna go back up. You think it is?
I don't want to get stuck right here.
Okay. Restrooms or exhibits straight. There's 3 different levels. Whoa. Yeah, I definitely don't remember this at all.
Look, baby.
Whoa.
have to. It's just they're gonna give you a tour.
Okay. The CP train! CP Huntington! You like the CP train? Say hi, Grandpa CP. Oh no, you gotta stay back, okay? You gotta stay back here.
We can't touch the baby, okay?
No, no, no.
No.
We're in a train. You always want to, you see the train that rides by our house? This is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, that's cool. Mail on the rails. I think it is. Look at it. Look at the right too. Remember the envelope? Keep going. Look, it's laundry. They're doing laundry. Look.
It's mail.
I know, but this kind of looks like laundry a little bit. Just go.
Do you want to keep going?
Get out. Come here. Come here.
I'm here. Look at that, babe. Portland, Oregon. It's like all our houses or something, maybe. There's stairs over here, baby. We go out over here. Hey, babe. Can you go down there and get a picture of me right here?
Okay.
Look at that, y'all. It's a snowplow train. Snowplower. This one says, why'd they keep the graffiti on it? I mean, we told Dax that if he doesn't listen to his mommy and daddy, we're gonna freeze him like these guys. You want to get frozen, Dax? Do you want to get frozen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
No.
Elena said this train looks like the Harry Potter train, and I think she's right. Definitely does. A little bit. Look at this man. Look, Daddy's gonna touch this man's butt. I touch his butt.
Inappropriate.
Karen. Oh, you wanna go get on the Georgia? That's cool. Wow.
That's really cool. Corn. Good job.
What else do you see?
Corn.
I see corn, and what else?
Minnows.
Minnows?
Minnows.
Oh, okay, cool, minnows.
Apples.
Don't go over there.
Put it down. Oranges.
Good job, Mommy. You know your fruits. Peekaboo!
It's like a dress that Grandma would wear.
Man, that's a dress you would wear, Elena.
I like it. It's
You have that dress in the closet, just in blue and green, I think.
No, more like red.
Yeah, you literally have that dress. Look, she was eating eggs in her Golden Gate Bridge cup. I love it. I love it. She was killing it.
Like, it's like the interior. It's so like pretty.
Thank you.
Watch out, baby.
My goofy.
Goofy.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hi, come on in. Feel free.
We're gonna let them come out.
Let's let some other friends.
Whoa.
Welcome to the Southern Pacific Cab Forward. Second largest steam locomotive ever built.
Really? That is amazing.
Weighs about 1,100,000 pounds.
Wow.
And this is the last one manufactured. It was May of March of 1944.
Really?
World War II.
That's cool. I think I even showed you the food. Can you see the food? We got
food.
chicken. It's fried chicken and grilled chicken and vegetables and
Yummy.
rice and like this
Nice.
crazy peanut sauce.
It's very yummy.
And this broth.
Chicken was in it, yeah.
And there's this
And it was
broth.
broth
It's called
with
Thai
with
chicken and rice.
sauces. It's delicious.
It's Asian or Oriental. I don't know exactly what. And then it also comes. Well, it didn't come with. I bought this mango and sticky rice. It's blue rice and mangoes.
Looks
and
like it
some
has
milk, condensed milk or
chia
something.
seeds, but it's rice. It's rice.
Yeah, that's what it said. So I'm gonna
Yeah.
try it all.
Weird texture.
No, it tastes like
Tapioca.
rice pudding. Yeah, rice pudding.
Mhm.
There's some mangoes on top.
Yeah.
That's good.
Cool. A little birthday cookie decorating, little Valentine's Day cookie, watching Valentine's Day in the background. Happy birthday, baby!
Okay. What is up, guys? It is a continuation to Dax's birthday. I think this might be the last adventure for Dax's birthday.
Yeah.
Hi, Excavator. Hi. We're going to Fairytale Town in downtown. I guess not downtown Sacramento, in Sacramento. Oh, they are. We've seen a lot of people, and I kept telling Lena they're all coming to Fairytale Town, but it is right across the street from the zoo, so she thinks they're going to the zoo. We'll see when we get there. Times they open in 30 minutes still. We literally still have 30 minutes. That's a very cute dog. It is. Can you see it? Smile. You don't want to take a picture? He's gonna hide? He's so funny. We walked over to the nearest gas station over here. Look at this Sprite Ginger. So try it out, Elena. Woman, where? Is it good? Let's see.
It's like
You like
Sprite
ginger.
and ginger ale. Yeah, I like that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a good one.
See, I don't like ginger shots, but I do like ginger ale.
I just took a ginger shot this morning.
It's got that kick to it though. That's,
Yeah, I
that's
like
spicier
that.
than ginger ale
That's
for sure. Yeah? Alright, let's get going. Look at that crack, Lena.
I barely have to get down.
Mommy doesn't have to do it at all. Little low bridge. Ouch, Humpty. Gongonki. Alright, we're in. We're checked in. Let's do it. Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Look, baby. You see the animal? You see that?
This guy keeps saying hi to everybody. I don't know if you're supposed to put your hand through there.
Oh, yeah, good idea, baby. Go now. We can't go in there.
You want to go over to that side?
Go to the other side.
Let's go see. Come on. Let's go. Oh, why'd they get scared from me? Dax, come here. Oh, you went that way? What? I know, what happened? You want to climb the spider web? If I put you up here, can you hold on? Yeah, you ready? You gonna do it, baby?
Go for a turn. We're waiting in line. We're waiting in line.
Okay, come on, Dax.
Good job.
Uh-oh, here we go. You can go by yourself? Yeah?
No way.
He said yeah.
All right, hold on.
Let's go to the next one. There's more. Come on. Yeah. It is, right?
Let me see. By the nutcracker. Right here.
We can go wherever you want.
Come here, baby.
Right here.
You wanted the
On the
flower.
back side is a button. You gotta go around the side. You can't see it. There you go, yeah. Perfect. No, other side. Nope. Yep, right there. Good job. Let him go, see if he can go by himself. Go for it, Dax. You got it.
Wow. Woo woo.
You got it. Go. Uphill now.
Wow.
Are you a choo-choo train?
Good job. We following it?
Yeah, choo-choo train.
Cool.
I like it.
Keep going.
Which way are we going? Left or right?
Left.
Left.
Good job. Keep going. You got it. Cool. Careful. Goes a little down.
I want one of these in our backyard.
I know, right?
Red bikes on it.
Keep going.
Wow, you took that corner fast. I like it. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, go. Go the long way. Do it. Go right. Go right. Go this way. Go this way.
You got it.
Hi. Can you come get me? I bet you can't get me. I bet you can't get me. Whoa. You bet you can't get me. Yeah, I can't. Pretty flowers.
Oh, I don't know. They're watering something over there. Let's keep going.
Hurry. They're gonna get our stroller.
Don't take our stroller.
They're getting me. Uh-oh. We got a dead end. They're gonna get us, Dax. They're gonna get us. This kid's coming the wrong way, so watch out, Dax. Hi. He said, getting us. Oh, we got the stairs, Dax. I'm here. Want to do it again?
Next one.
Want to do it again? Can you go in the building?
What's that?
Go in the house. Hi.
Can you say cheese?
Oh, baby, be nice. Be nice.
No one in there.
Hey, Mommy, come in.
Hi. You like that kid? Yeah. See the owl?
Good job, baby. Hi, baby. Good job. Good job. You got it, Daddy.
Let's go to the other one. There's more. Let's go to more. Come on. Okay. You want to go in there with the cow?
Aww, you can go in there, baby.
You got so excited. You ready, Dax? Here comes Mom. Mommy's filling her butt. Yeah, let's go. Brave, right? It's okay to be scared. You ready? Whoa, they have animals in here. You see it in there? What is it? I don't know. Let's go to the is a spider in there? Oh, it's a snake right there, buddy. Look, or a lizard. Look at it.
Crawling.
It is crawling, yeah.
Crawling.
You like that?
Looking food.
Yeah?
They're looking food.
He's looking for food?
Looking food.
Okay. Come on. Let's go up the slide. Come on.
Oh, God. Oh, are you okay? Good job, baby.
Come on outside, Mom.
You got it?
Let's go, yeah, go.
You got it, baby.
Waiting for you.
Keep going. You got it. Go up higher. You got it. Good job. You got it, baby. Yes, you do. I don't know what that is. Is that water?
It's not tea. Stand up, baby.
Good job.
Oh, good job, baby.
No touching.
Go choo choo. We're on a train.
They keep going.
I don't know, it doesn't have one. You gotta do it yourself. Do choo choo real loud. Louder, louder. Louder. Good job. Yeah.
Wow.
There's lots of them.
Can I push him alone?
If you want to, here we go.
Good job.
Keep coming, come on.
Good job.
You wanna go again? Okay, go. Go back around. Go back around, go. Come on, Mom, you go. Push him kind of hard, see if he slides faster.
Okay, you ready? Push you a little harder, okay?
Yeah, come on. You made it. You like that one? Hey, babe. See if he can do it by himself. Come on, Dax.
Coming. They're coming. Now coming. Coming. They're coming.
You like it? Hey, you want to go do the goose? Look, no one's on the goose. Let's go do
All
it.
right, Mommy's gonna come down.
Come on.
Here it comes.
Here comes Mommy.
Oh.
Hurry up. This guy has cool New Balances on. Right here, hurry. He's coming down the slide again. See, the guy's over there. He's in the slide. I can hear him. Come on.
Coming.
Go in your belly. Go in your belly.
Wow.
Slide, slide. Pick your feet up. There you go. Yeah.
They keep coming.
Put him up there. You gonna come down the swan slide, Dax? He's doing split eagle here. Oh my God, Dax. Okay, you're good. Let him go. You coming down? Oh. You can't. Here, let me do it. Here, let him go. Aw, chicken butt. Mommy's a chicken butt.
Oh, there you are. Look at Joe. He's on top.
You gonna slide?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down right here, okay? Sit.
Come on, baby.
You got it all yourself. Go.
You got
Go.
it. I'm
All by
right
yourself.
here.
Go. Good job. Are you guys riding in the wagon?
All right, can I get another picture? Okay, go.
Yay! And Mommy! Dax, look. Dax, look. Look, what is that? Ew! You touch it? Is it stinky? Is it stinky foot? Yeah. Stinky foot. That's what it said. It said the door is closed, birthday party in session.
That's awesome.
Whoa.
Oh my God. Baby, what is
Can my family sit next to me and be the king? My wife?
What is this?
What is this? Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross? No matter how you do it, if the doors are, it still says ride a cock. That's weird. Elena, the door is telling you something. All right, now after Fairytale Town, we stopped and got some tacos. And Dax got a quesadilla. It's cooling down right now, chilling by the river. He's watching Caillou. It's a good day.
Oh, thank you, baby.
And Grandma got you the shirt.
Look at.
That's cool. Stay
got the
salty.
It's got a Jeep on it.
It got a Jeeper.
Look at it.
You want to say hi? Hi. He told me to lay down on his lap, so I came and laid down. Is this good? Is this what you wanted? You want me to lay in your lap?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you rub my ear? Or my head? That's fine, yeah. Oh. You're by UPS? You're so smart. Let's see, what else are we gonna see? What else are we gonna see? Icy here.
Bad day, Daddy.
Yeah?
Bad day.
Yeah?
Have bad day.
The Icy had a bad day?
Yeah.
Why did he have a bad day?
Daddy.
Watch your shoes. Watch your shoes. You don't want to lose them.
Bad day.
Your voice is louder.
Okay. Okay.
Such nice curls. You get these curls from Mommy or from mayonnaise.
Tastes like mayonnaise.
What?
Why does it taste like mayonnaise?
Yum mayonnaise.
Yummy mayonnaise. But Dax got his first haircut.
Yum, yum.
Thank you, cookie cutters.
Lemonade, and they're really, really yummy.
We just celebrated Dax's first haircut and got a beer and some sandwiches. No, what did we get? Beer and what did I eat? Wings. Beer and wings downtown. Now we're walking around, maybe getting some dessert. Oh no, there's a cow right here though. Dax, go take a picture with the cow. Smile.
Turn on.
Hi, cow.
Oh, you're still on the ground?
I don't know if you can go up there.
Turn on.
Right there, smile.
You saw a train?
Oh, choo-choo. You're so smart.
Baby.
You're so smart. Look at that, mini cheesecakes. Did she say Captain Crunch, cookie dough, and what was the pink one? I forgot, but it looked cool.
Pebbles?
Fruity Pebbles? I don't know. Dax pointed to it, so we got it.
Wait, cut on you, yeah. Here, bite it, baby. You don't want to bite it?
I wanted this one. They're really soft.
Good. Try mine.
Oh, look, there's crust at the bottom.
Because it's cheesecake. Oh, I'm pulling my apart.
They're pretty good.
They feel good.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, good.
One more, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my finger.
Well, hot?
I'm good.
Big mom one.
I'm at home.
Forgot.
Make one piece. Yeah.
I'm still recording.
Oop.
Oh my god. You get stuck?
The truth.